26. Di ba? Kasi walang hagdan eh. Diretso na. Okay. Sabi natin dala. Lahat tayo maglalayas. Yung ano, ang exit natin.
Oo, kala ko sa mismong opera.
Oo.
Dito pala.
Dito pala. Sakto sa food court. Hingal agad ako ah. Mami ah. Ayun ah. Hello ka sa camera.
Hi, camera.
Hi camera. Dami naming ano, tulak-tulak, hila-hila. Hindi tayo pupunta. Picture daw siya. You okay, Tina? You tired? Okay, let's go. Si Tina pagod na rin eh. Lapit na. Kakaraos na tayo. Almost there. Pahila. Hilahin mo.
Ang hirap i-drive dito.
Mababa kasi yung ano eh, hawakan mo eh. Extend mo. Okay na? Ayan. There she is.
Nandito na kami sa loob ng overseas terminal, passenger. So we're going to check in na. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Good morning!
I need to do adults first.
Yeah. So that one, Daisy and Christine.
Mine want me to sit down.
They need to see your visa, okay?
Si Kelvin. Ayan. Dito kami bine-verify lahat ng documents before boarding. Ayan. Lapit na matapos. 2 taon na lang. Then papasok na tayo doon. Ayan. Doon yata sila pumapasok. Ako na? Alright.
It's okay. You can stand, maybe stand.
Stand here,
She can
stand here.
adjust.
Look at her, huh?
Oh, good boy.
Okay.
Oh, so cute. So cute.
Fix up, fix.
Nearly there, okay?
Okay, Angelo. Look at the camera.
1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Alright, high five, high five. Good job. Tapos na. Pasok na tayo sa loob. Yahoo! Thank you. Alex, after you, Alex. Thank you.
Once
Excuse
you
me.
get over to the next floor, you have to turn that off.
This one. Alright. Yung microphone ko.
Wala, hindi ko nakuha yung microphone mo.
Nandun sa mga ano yun.
I-check, go back, Dad. Hindi ko na.
Kuha ko na.
Buti
Okay.
na alala mo.
Yeah.
When you get up there, give them their own, okay?
Alright. Mami,
Your passport's away and just your boarding pass is all you need.
alright. Andito na tayo. Ayan. Talagpas na tayo immigration. Naiwan ko yung microphone doon, Mami. Ano, tinabi nila doon sa ilalim. Oo. Kaya nga eh. Kundi, goodbye yung microphone. Ayan, pag ganyan mo siya. Eh, sapatos ko, nasagasaan. What's your other foot? Alright. Paraos na. Officially inside the ship. Hindi, nasa
I'll
ano pa
give you
tayo?
Angelo kasi you're gonna be on the same master station as him.
Alright. Tayo, sana makapasok yung wagon.
Yeah, just heading down on the right.
On the right?
That, you'll have to take that on the right hand side.
On the right hand. Alright. Mami, ano? Doon ako dada.
Hi, how you going?
I'm good, how are you?
Thanks.
Yeah.
First and last name?
Casey Andres.
Thank you. There you go.
And Alex, your
Hi,
turn.
what's your name?
What's your name?
Thank you. There you go.
Very good. Take it back.
And what's your name?
Alright,
And
thank
head
you.
straight to Master Station up on.
Hello.
Hello, welcome aboard.
Thank you.
All master stations are upstairs. These are
Ah,
the important
sorry.
information for kids.
Alright.
And you can go around and use the lift to go
Alright.
upstairs.
Alright, salamat.
Salamat po.
Alright, we're here. We're inside. Pupunta na tayo sa ano, Master Station B. Alright, taraos na. Oh, Halloween yung theme. Ayan. So, papunta tayo sa Master Station. Doon daw gagawin ang... Mami, doon, anong gagawin dyan? Parang orientation na safety orientation. Okay. Ang ganda.
Hi guys. There's one over there for you.
Okay. Alright. Tina? You first, Tina? You first. Alright, thank you.
You have space there.
Yeah, of course. So, saan tayo papunta? Master Station. Mamaya na yun, yung ano. Unahin muna natin yung mahalaga. Deck 2 daw to. So, pupunta tayo deck 2.
No, like level 4.
It's not a bum
Level
bum.
4 there.
Why you hold tight key? That one. Why?
Sure ka ba? Stay through dito.
This is level 4. Atlantic level.
Oh, sorry. Master.
What master station you are?
B?
Just in the outside, see them? Just check in.
You're going
Okay.
to level...
Alright, salamat.
You're going with Jojo.
Kasi
You're going to
different...
Master C station.
Wait. Oh, dito. Master C. Athena.
Is right here.
You're Angelo.
Trade tayo. B.
C is at the back.
Wait, nakaharang tayo.
You have to take Jojo with you.
Yeah.
With you. Athena, Sender, you hop here.
Come.
Come on,
Come,
let's walk.
Angelo.
We need to walk. He can't. Daddy is gonna go with
You need to go with mommy. You need to go with me. Angelo, you're coming with me. Alright, pila tayo. Ano natin kung saan pupunta. Hello, how are you? I'm good.
Right, so I've got Casey,
Yeah.
Kelvin, and Angelo on this one, yes?
Oh yeah, Kelvin. I don't know where he is right now. So.
Okay, will he be coming here?
Yeah,
later
he is.
myself?
He is,
Okay,
yeah.
I'll leave him unchecked and I'll do his separately.
Alright.
So yeah, like I was saying to those guys, this is your emergency muster station, okay? This is where you come in the unlikely event of an emergency.
Mhm.
When you get into your cabin, just watch the little safety video playing on there for us.
Video,
If for
okay.
any reason you don't have a child-sized life jacket in your room,
Mhm.
you can go to guest services on deck 3,
Yes, sir.
or you can go to Camp Ocean on deck 10, which is the kids club, after we sail away and they'll give you one. Okay?
Alright, got it.
Yeah, apart from that,
Thank you.
have a lovely cruise.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, where am I going now? Meet natin ulit si Mrs. Joanne. Habang kubukuha ng pagkain si Christine, si Joanne, tsaka si Faye. At babantayin natin yung mga bata. Ang ganda ng pwesto namin. Nasa harap tayo ng Opera House. Siyempre, hindi natin palalagpasin yung pagkakataon na makuha natin ng letrato. Nice. Kumakain ka na pala.
Ay, Opi, harap ka. Daddy.
Later na yan. Eat ka muna food. Si Kiefer.
Hi.
Ina.
Opi.
So yan, ito yung view natin. Diba? Napakaganda.
Hi, Lilita. Alex.
Opera House. So nasa likod natin yung ano. Outside natin yung Harbor Bridge. Kumuha si Joanne ng ano, prutas. Ang sarap, ang tamis. Saan kaya galing prutas na to? Dito o? Ano? Saan pa? Namay ko na.
Wait.
Nakarakot din. Pagod. Burger? Ayun, sige, mag-burger naman. Kapagod magtulak.
Sige tayo, kain ka muna.
Dito, bata na.
Hindi, ano, meron pa
Okay lang. Pwede ka. Ikaw. Yun ang sayang.
Share tayo, ano, kay Sander to.
Buti nakalusot yung ano no, wagon.
Yeah.
Sabi itiklop eh, pero nung pagdating natin dito, wala naman nagpatiklop. Up. Ang pa ng view, Opera House.
Kaya nga.
Parang sa trabaho sa cruise. Trabaho na sa grito.
Enjoy.
Hindi na kayo. Oh, yeah. Sa likod mo. Punta na kami sa kanya-kanya naming cabin. So yung cabin natin nasa level 2. Nasa level 9 tayo ngayon. So bababa tayo sa lift.
Head down to your cabins. You'll find your cabin keys just outside of your doors, and you'll be able to go there right now. I also need your attention for a very important announcement regarding the muster process. All guests must visit their assigned bus station to check in with one of our guests. and team members at this time. If you have not completed your self-master process, please do so at your earliest convenience. This is a mandatory process and all guests must attend. Your master stations can be found on your boarding pass or your cabin key and are assigned to...
Medyo mapipit-pit kita, Faye. Yan, thank you. Kasya kami. Nagkasya tayo. Ay, napindot ko na. Level 2. Ayan. Yes.
Thank you.
Sorry, we brought so much stuff.
That's okay. You need lots for kids.
Yeah. We brought half of the house. So.
Number 2. Is that you?
That's
I'll
us.
hold this open for you.
Thank you so much.
No worries. No problem.
Alright. 2395. Hanapin natin yung room natin. 2395. Para makapagpahinga muna yung mga bata. Makukulit eh. Okay. Walang sign na. Ito. Nandito pala. 2, 3... Wala dito. 2, 4 to eh.
Ay, 2 eh. 2395 tayo.
Sa kabilang side. Ito Ayun o, deck 2. Mahaba. Okay. Tama dito nga. Tama sila. Actually, ang hirap. Haba. Hello, kamusta? Kamusta? Okay naman. Ang mga Pilipinong crew. Ito na sa atin? Ito. Teka lang, hihinga muna ako. Okay. Cabin tour.
We're now in
Our bedroom.
You're welcome aboard.
So, sino dito? Oh, sorry.
Now we're getting in, huh?
Ah,
Ano talaga siya?
Like
sige, pasok tayo. Para gusto ko na mahiga. Pagod na ako.
Insert your SNS card into the loop. So there. So you need to open it.
Sobre. Ito nga. Thank you. Saan natin yung sobre? Okay, buwan na. 5,000.
5,000.
Asis. Tina, big boy.
Okay, sige, game. Let's go. And then we're gonna
Sige
get the... Ready?
Sige.
Yeah.
Ayan, si Kali. Hilahin mo ulit. Yan, tapos buksan mo na. Oh, di ba? Buksan natin ilaw. Yun.
Ayun, pasok.
Room tour. Cabin tour. Sa side na to, mami, ano yan? Yan dyan.
So, ito yung bathroom natin. Let's just... Pasok kaya muna tayo.